Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change birthday in Viber. Go to Viber from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the lower right corner. Now tap on the edit button beside your profile name. Below your profile name you can see your birthday. Tap on this. Now change the birthday. After that tap on done. Your birthday has been changed. Again tap on done from the top right corner. In this way you can change birthday in Viber. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.